it's boring how people talk. Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me. It looks alright in the pictures. Getting caught half of the trip though, isn't it? I'll fall apart with all my heart. And you can watch from your window. Pretty soon I'll be getting on my first plane. I'll see you